Hello, so this is an update to show the progress of the E-Wok. I have pretty much finished all the major electronic components in terms of switches, contact mics, etc. All of that was quite an adventure. If you read my last post, I had a few boo-boos. From there I also, which I haven't taken pictures of because it's quite hard to do, and my videographer wasn't available. So, but I also changed the handle of the wok to be a plumber's pipe with some pine just cut out, and to put the switches for the contact mic so I can turn the bottom one off when I'm rattling it or on or whatever. There's a contact mic on the pizza pan and a contact mic on the bottom of the wok. Yeah, that was quite hard to do, quite scary to do. Anyway, moving right along, we have the pizza pan with all the wires coming through and the different buttons and switches. Switches turn the motors on, continuously, or if I turn that off, I can just pulse it. I thought that would be really quite cool to create a beat or something once we form our bands. We have a cable here which connects the contact mics to my little wee amp, and the powerful motors. On the inside, as you can see, we have these 6 motors. At the moment we have some placeholder tape, masking tape. Here I put a bell in the masking tape. This one's got a bell which is closer, so it actually creates a different sound. This one has some wire soldered to it, and this one just has tape. This one a zip tie, and this one had a longer piece of wire which the speed of the motor actually made it knock off on the edge of the pan. So that's going to be the next big challenge, is finding things that will stay on and also create different sound effects that are not all too similar. They're all quite buzzy, as you'll see in a second. All lovely soldering work. All, as someone who's never done this before, it's been quite a challenge. Yeah, so I'm quite proud. Anyway, let me show you what this sounds like. So we're going to take this one and we're going to stick it wrong way. Stick it in this hole. Yeah. And we're going to put that in there. That's the one I was looking for. That's actually come a bit loose, so I'm going to have to fix this after this video. And then we have the power for the motors. As you can tell, something is on. Okay, that should be it. So I'll just demonstrate without it going through the contact mics or the amps. We have, I don't know if you can even hear that. That's 6, and here we go through the contact mics. Contact mics. This one is that. I'm just going to put that on the floor. Oh, that sounds terrible. Alright, so here we go. So there's a couple that haven't got any, but another 1 or 2 posts on the actual construction, but almost there.